Welcome back again to the channel. I just did a low flight over Nashville, going back home. I don't know if you guys can hear me okay, but I hope so. So today, or this week, is 1 year anniversary since I bought this plane. So I bought this plane in February of 2021. Today mark exactly 1 year, or this week, 1 year since I bought it. And I tell you, it was a great experience. Since I got my license, I was asking myself, what is it I'm gonna do with my license? And I tell you what, I knew buying a plane or owning a plane was gonna be the definite
6 o'clock, 1 mile, same altitude.
I know buying a plane was gonna be the best solution for me. So I went ahead and bought this plane in February 2021. Let me give you guys a little review of ownership, aircraft ownership. 1 year, I put a total of 94 hours. So this is pretty good actually. On average, people put anywhere between 75 to 100 hours. And
quarter mile, same altitude.
And for me, within the 1 year of ownership, I put a total of 94 hours. And that's pretty good. That's really good, and that's actually telling me that it's cheaper to own a plane or own an aircraft than to rent. Because if I were to rent this plane, a plane like this, it would have cost me way more. And I tell you what, guys, it's a blessing. It was a blessing. It's been a blast. I've been able to take my kids flying. I've been able to take my wife places. I've been able to take friends on the first small plane trip, and it's been a blast. Will I do it again? Yes. And of course, within the first year, it cost me a little bit more, and that's normal. If you ask any aircraft owner, they will tell you the same thing. On the first year, it's gonna cost you a little bit more to own on the first year. Why? Because you're trying to turn this plane or airplane into your plane, into something that you like. And that's exactly what happened for me. When I bought this plane, the interior was very bad. And I'm gonna put the link of this video where I have what I did exactly. I changed the interior completely from what it was to right now. I put leather seating, and I did all the work myself. It didn't cost me too much because I did most everything myself. What I paid someone to do was the seats. I ordered the fabric. And I got a local upholstery guy.
Destination ASOS is 134.575.
And I got a local upholstery guy doing the seats for me. And I tell you what, I will do that anytime over again. It was the best solution to do the seats. What cost me the most was definitely the instruments that I got in this plane. And I'm gonna show you guys, I had a video as well on the instruments that I did. And that's what cost me the most, to be honest with you. I went ahead and put two AV30s, and I also put a Garmin GTN 635. The reason I put the Garmin 635 is because I'm about ready to do my instrument, or I'm starting doing my instrument training, and I needed that, so I went ahead and put a Garmin 635, and 2 AV30s. That's what cost me the most, and I did a video on that and how much it cost me to do this low panel upgrade. Other than that, it's been a blast, guys. It's been a blast owning a Mooney. Being able to go to New York, and I did something that I always wanted to do, which is flying the Hudson River. And you can see a link of the video right here. And I took my kids to Cumberland Falls. I took them so many places and be able to build memories with them. So overall, yes, I will do it again, over and over again. The first year, of course, cost me a little bit more money, and I do not anticipate spending as much as I did this past year in this plane, because most everything that I want done, I got it done. And I tell you,
traffic,
I'm very
quarter mile, same altitude.
I'm very excited and happy with the work that I did in this plane. So yes, this is the review of my first year as an owner of a plane. It was fun, it's always been fun. So if you guys are thinking about being a pilot, don't stop thinking about it. Go ahead and start flying. Can it be expensive? Yes, it can be expensive, but it does not have to be expensive. I'm telling you, it does not have to be expensive. There are ways you can go around and make it as cheap as possible for you to be a pilot. So go ahead, like I say, guys, go ahead and stop thinking about it. Go ahead and start flying. I'll see you guys on the next video, and I'll show you guys what I did today with some friends over in Nashville. See you guys. God bless, and start flying.